22 stocks for 2022. Hello traders, today we will talk about which stock to buy and where to invest in new year. So we have 22 stocks and all of them hand-picked for a new year. So I wish everyone a profitable green new year. So let's get started with the first one, and which is Google. Google, as all of you know, that in a good buying opportunity at the moment, and I believe as they keep inventing, as they keep investing in their technologies, especially in the metaverse field, stock will keep going higher and higher. I will not go so much detail in this video since it's a general topic, and I will show you one by one which stock to buy and their graphics at the moment. So let's continue with the second one, which is Facebook with the old name, Meta Platforms with the new name. And again, Meta Platforms is now famous because of their metaverse investments, and in those days we heard a lot of talk and investments and technologies and hardware and software about this industry. So I believe 2022 will be the year of metaverse. So Facebook is a good buy regarding to that, and also because of their current businesses, stock will keep go higher and higher. So let's continue with the third one, Microsoft. Microsoft is again a very famous company and one of the biggest company in the market at the moment, and I believe it's a good choice for a new year. And as you watching this video, stock now trading a line in support line, so consider this as a good buying opportunity. Let's continue with the fourth stock, which is Nvidia. Nvidia is also a great buying opportunity for new year, and you should be consider to add this stock to your portfolio. And they are now working on Omniverse, which is called their metaverse, and they are developing a different kind of metaverse, they say. So I can't wait to see what they are up to. So consider Nvidia for your portfolio in this year also. So continuing with the next one is this is a very interesting company. They made an IPO last year, and one of the famous trader, Nancy Pelosi, has also bought some call options for this stock. So you should be also consider to add this stock to your portfolio, and I believe this will be a huge opportunity and it will bring double-digit revenue for your portfolio. And let's continue, because we have a lot of stocks for new year. And the next one is Advanced Micro Devices, and they have a great CEO. They are making great investments, and now regarding to the technical analysis, it is on a support level, and if we don't broke these levels, it can be a good buying opportunity for you. And let's continue with the next stock, which is the world's first $1 trillion stock, and now it's trading price levels of $180. I believe it's a little bit expensive at the moment, but it's Apple, it always makes you happy. So do your own research before you buy, but I believe everyone should have Apple in their portfolio. Next one is beloved Tesla, and business is booming, deliveries are booming, so it's a great stock, and they have a great CEO, Elon Musk. Consider adding this stock to your portfolio also. And now again, this is a car company, and there is also one problem about this car company, which is they're based in China, and since all we know about what's going on with the Chinese stocks, Alibaba and Didi, they are now in trouble. So this can be a risky stock. I don't know if they will delist or not, but it's a great company. They are investing a huge amount of money, and it is, Tesla of China. And let's continue with the next car company. It's Ford. Ford is, unbelievable. They just, skyrocketed today 10%, and now they are trading at $24 level. Unbelievable. So now in those days, I can't believe this stock has been skyrocketed that much. And congratulations who bought this stock last year. And I know it's very expensive stock. Maybe you can wait for a pullback to enter, but you should also consider this stock for your portfolio. And again, new IPO stock, Affirm Holdings. What they do is buy now, pay later business, and business was booming, and in the Christmas time, their sales was just above the roof, but today's stock dropped 14%, and it's not about today. They down from $170 to the $82. It's kind of ouch, but you can consider for your portfolio because their business and their industry is amazing. They doing great jobs, and I believe there is a future for this company. And as we say future, this is again a futuristic company, Coinbase. Coinbase is a crypto exchange company where you can buy, sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and etc. So stock, when they made an IPO, stock rise up to the $400 levels. Now it's trading $250 levels. So it's a great buying opportunity, and you can add this to your portfolio. And when I say you can add this to your portfolio, you can make your, regarding to your risk profile, you can add, let's say, $1 for Coinbase, but you can buy $2 for Tesla. So, buy how your risk profile is. And the next one is Amazon. There is no need an explanation for Amazon, I believe. And now they go up, they go down, and it's stuck in those price levels. And for New Year, most of the analysts expected for $4,000, $4,500 levels of a price. So let's see. So the next company is ticker SE, C Limited. It's a Singapore-based company, and they do some, as you can see, communication services, electronic gaming, multimedia, and this kind of stuff. And stock was very popular last year, and now it down so much, like 50%. You can consider this stock also for your portfolio, and their business model is nice, and they have a huge market cap. And let's see, yes, it's a $124 billion market cap. It's not so big, but it's a good amount of a market cap, I believe. So check this stock out also. And next one is the Walt Disney Company. And in nowadays stock is just going down, 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 down. And now I believe we solved the bottom here in December, which is $140 levels, and now stock trading at $160 levels, and I believe it will fill up this gap in new year. And also we received some nice upgrades or reiterated from the analysts. So let's continue with the next one. CRM. CRM is Salesforce.com, and it's a technology software company, and it has $250 billion market cap. Huge company. They are doing great jobs. And also Nancy Pelosi bought some leap calls for this stock. So why not? Check it out. Next one is Micron Technology, and it's a chip company, and you can think like AMD or so. And now, as like all the chip companies, this stock is also making higher highs every day. And also check this stock out. Next one is one of my all-time favorite, Adobe, and they have Photoshop, they have Premiere, and they have Lightroom, etc. And everyone is using this. So if you are in this industry, you have to use it because there is no like other, right? So stock is now in a great buying opportunity levels, and you can do your own research and give yourself your own decision. And it's also a very huge company. It's like a $300 billion or so. And next one is nowadays in trouble, and PayPal. It's in a downtrend, unfortunately, since their Pinterest buying news. Stock didn't see sunshine from that day, and now we are trading levels of $190, which is, it's not PayPal. It should be, it has to be above like $220 levels, and I believe in new year it will fill up this huge gap soon. And next stock is very interesting one, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, and it keeps going down because Bitcoin is also going down. It is correlated and mirrored Bitcoin. You can think like that. If Bitcoin up 2%, this stock is also up 2%. So there is no, mining business or so. It's just the company only holds Bitcoin. So if you want to buy some Bitcoin for New Year, this is your chance. And next one is a gaming engine, Unity Software. And again, this stock is fell from their highs, and I believe they deserve a better place because they are a great company. So you can consider this company for New Year. And finally, the last one, and so far, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't miss any of my videos. And the last one is Activision Blizzard. Now finally, personally, I own this stock, and since I am shy to say that, but I bought from the $90 levels, and since I bought this stock, it's just going down and down and down because there was some crazy news about the CEO. So, and you see it's a huge drops, but now I believe we have seen the bottom, and from that day we will see some great days, and we will fill up this gap in new year, hopefully. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you will have a great new year. 2022 will bring you some sweet, nice profits, and I hope you see you soon. Take care.